Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the customer service in the BlockChain application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just look at the top of your right corner and there you will see a message symbol. Press on that as well. And here you can just wait a little bit and you can just press on submit a request, and here you can just select the topic here, like exchange for example. You can add here your email address. You can select here what can they assist with you today. You can select the currency type, fiat or crypto, and more specifically the crypto type. You can also select here the platform, but it's optional. You can also add here a subject and basically write in something, how can they help you. And you can also attach a file if you want to, but that is also optional. And once everything is done, you can just press on submit and your form will be sent to them. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.